Well, I'm checking out some of the driving path, the driving route.
Oh man.
So I just dropped Joe off about an hour ago, and I decided to follow the route of the towpath between Cumberland and Pawpaw on my way back home. I've got some appointments, so I couldn't meet him up on this end of the ride, but I will meet him up about Tuesday or so, about halfway point. But this is Lock 75, 175.6. I've never really stopped here as a vehicle stop. I've always rode it through on my bike, so I never saw it from this view. But here's the map. Cumberland, and this is like 10 miles later. You are here. Lock 75. Spring Gap would be next around 173. Of course, you got Pigman's Ferry, Lock 71 and Old Town, Potomac Forks, which is a campsite, although there's probably no internet service, maybe not even call-out service. So that's about the 25-mile mark from, or 20-mile mark from Cumberland. So anyways, I'm here today. I'm way back from Cumberland dropping Joe off. And that's the Lock House 75. 175.6. So if you're driving from Cumberland, take Maryland 51 and just follow the towpath. Look for the signs.